Amazon takes a portion of the commissions for themselves as a fee. That portion you never see. Go directly to sellers for better commissions. How's it going, guys? Please don't forget to download your free copy of this traffic driving guide below. Now we are covering audiobooks. Audiobooks sells virtual downloadable books. I would rank it as a great addition to most affiliate portfolios too. Think about it. Audiobook related keywords are searched more than 450,000 times per month. The average sell is around $27.50. Affiliates receive $4.50 per sell. By strategically using audiobook related keywords, you could place your affiliate link in some major traffic. Download this free guide below to learn how to drive more traffic to your affiliate links so you can make more money and get your keywords from the resource below as well.